Today, I'd like to discuss ducted air conditioning. Let's say we have a heat pump in our home and a buffer tank installed along with the pump. To install ducted air conditioning in a one-story house, that's for example 120 square meters, we need a ventilation system with more inlets so that more air can flow into the rooms, because air is responsible for cooling.
We need a system for about 1,000, maybe 1,200 zlotys.
That's if you have these two components, a water buffer and a heat pump. Heat pumps will soon become more affordable. We recently calculated that with large-scale automated production, they actually turn out to be cheaper to produce than in traditional furnaces. The Kapans, the Ikapakan, the Ecopicol ones, and so on. You'll see, Ecopicol or pellet furnaces will soon be much more expensive than a heat pump. The situation is starting to change. Let's take a look at what we need. A glycol cooler, which costs between 1,500 and 2,000 zlotys, and a recirculation fan, which costs 1,200 zlotys. So we spend 3,200 plus 1,200 zlotys, that's 4,200, plus a pump for 150 zlotys, and we have ducted air conditioning, and you get supplementary cooling and heating with that air. When you turn on the underfloor heating in winter, it can take 2, 3, even 4 days before it reaches thermal inertia. In that case, we can simply use our ducted air conditioning system to immediately warm the place up. So if we have these two devices, a buffer tank and a heat pump, which are becoming increasingly affordable and more accessible, then we just need to spend 4,000 and we'll get ducted air conditioning installed. In my opinion, considering the cost of heat recovery systems, which are quite reasonably priced, not all, it would be a shame not to go for it. It's worth investing 4,000 or 5,000 zlotys and getting ducted air conditioning, because it will pay for itself. And another thing, let's see the difference for ducted air conditioning when we don't have a heat pump. Look, we have an AC unit. Nowadays AC units are becoming more affordable. To be honest, I was quite disappointed with this company, because they were taking advantage of the rising prices and inflation, and because of that we weren't even promoting ducted air conditioning system with external outdoor units. But they've finally come to their senses and lowered the prices, making them much more accessible to the average Joe. I'll also be adjusting prices. A 3.5 kilowatt industrial AC unit will cost around 3,000. So if you don't have a heat pump, what do you need to buy? A recirculation fan for 1,200 zlotys, a unit for 3,000, and a cooler, say, Freon one for about 2,000. These are not prohibitive prices, and it pays off. Until the temperature reaches 0 degrees, the air conditioner can be used to heat a house of, say, 100, 110 square meters. And when we pay extra for heat recovery, around 8,000 zlotys, we have an alternative heating system that works effectively down to 2 degrees, 0, or even -2, as there's a known issue with the defrosting mechanism. We have supplementary heating. I think it would be a shame not to fully utilize the capabilities of ducted air conditioning, especially when it can be so easily adapted. By paying about 4,000 zlotys more with a heat pump, we get air conditioning, and here by paying around 7,000 or 8,000 zlotys with a heat recovery system, we get ducted air conditioning, which can comfortably heat up a space down to a temperature of 2 degrees Celsius. And it cools us down in the summer. In my opinion, it's definitely worth investing in it. In summer houses or similar spaces, it's definitely worth investing the 7,000. For a cottage with 8 or even more rooms, you will be perfectly capable of heating it during the winter until temperature drops to 2 degrees Celsius. That's why I always say it's worth getting AC, because it's really simple to install. It's getting cheaper. It's the same with the heat pumps. You'll even get them on those Chinese websites.
You just need to know the company.
We work with Sunrain. They've changed their name now, but they have amazing heat pumps, just as good as those $1 million ones. Acungia, there's no significant difference, and the average Joe can get them at a reasonable price. But you must decide what you want to do in your own house, what kind of air conditioning or heating system you want. As I said, no marketer can dictate what you do. I can't dictate either. I'm just saying it can be done this way. This is becoming more affordable. And regarding the company, I was disappointed with because they exploited the situation with price hikes. They're starting to go back to normal. So we're lowering prices too.
This is now also available to the general public, no? Before was Nipponica, still when they raised prices by 100% exploiting the market situation, I felt it was wrong and dishonest to offer it. I thought it was too expensive and it didn't make sense. Now prices are returning to normal, so it's starting to make sense. No?